who the great Ivany is. The great Ivany, we walk and fuck from Portland to blood clot Negril. The great Ivany, where thief Renee, Page Shana, Page John, Page Matthew, Page Paul, Page Peter, Page Luke, Page Jesus Christ, Page, and you cut Jesus slippers, you betray your friend them, you bring down this as somebody, you betray this, you betray Father God himself, and you didn't name the apple in the fucking garden. The great Ivany, you is the great Ivany? Get the fuck out of here, man. Mother's cunt, man. Get the fuck out of here. What the great Ivany. My God, man. Remember, you don't have to say we all know and it lame as fuck something new. You need to do something new so me can know you for something else, because me no know you as no greatness. No greatness no in your blood, Ivany. No greatness no in your blood. Right now, your ex say you have herpes. So what you mean say herpes in your blood? What you mean say greatness in your blood right now, me fi say? A herpes me here say the boy attacks you have herpes, you know. And you must give him herpes. You give boy herpes for true? You give boy herpes? Me see boy on one recording on YouTube and say you give him herpes. You know say you give him it because it look like you're there for your meds. Him say you have it, but him not catch it because you're there for medication, so he can't catch it. So he come like say I walk a shoot man, a shoot man, a shoot up man. So you gonna argue with me for now? Me not have no herpes, you know. Herpes supposed to have. Why me I tell the people like you know, and you say you're great. You say you're great. Move your herpes blood clot from here. So move your gun in a bag, your blood clot from here, so Ivany. Your pussy a scratch you. Move your blood clot from here so you scratchy, all your hole full of blood clot bump. Herpes front. Move and go away. Girl fi have infection. You said that girl ain't no shame, you know. And that's why I not take him serious. Me never black your girl. Me not even black you. Me gonna make you stay right there and kill up. He not no shame, you know. Me say I was a stink pan 2 foot this blood clot, yeah. Me say I have no fucking shame. Me say me don't know which batty will you come out. How where them birth you? How which batty, a cow batty this a girl a birth from, you know. Me say that girl ain't no shame at all. Eh, you worse than fucking me, eh? You worse than me. Who hurt him? Me never see a girl see a girl not no shame, man. He not no shame. No, sir. Me never black him. Me can stay in there. Me not black him at all. Me can stay in there.